Your kitchen might be missing something important, and you don't even know it yet. In this video, we're counting down the asterisk top 20 amazing kitchen products on Amazon that upgrade the way you cook every day. From unique, futuristic gadgets to smart tools you can enhance and customize, these products are built to save time and reduce effort. Watch till the end to discover kitchen upgrades that actually make a difference. Number 1. Ferrology Baker's Rack. Maximize your kitchen space with the Ferrology Baker's Rack. Its sturdy, multi-tier design keeps baking sheets, pots, and pans organized and within easy reach. Perfect for small kitchens, it prevents clutter and makes cooking stress-free. Durable, easy to assemble, and stylish, this rack is a smart addition for any home chef. Amazon's limited time deal won't last long, so click the link now and elevate your kitchen organization instantly. Number 2. Hoshino Magnetic Knife Strip. Keep your knives sharp, safe, and accessible with the Hoshino Magnetic Knife Strip. Its strong magnetic grip holds knives securely while freeing up counter space. Sleek and easy to install, it prevents drawer clutter and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Ideal for small or busy kitchens, this strip keeps everything within arm's reach. Don't miss this limited time Amazon offer. Click the link to grab yours and upgrade your cooking setup today. Number 3. Sakugi Dish Drying Rack. Dry dishes quickly and efficiently with the Sakugi Dish Drying Rack. Its compact design maximizes counter space while holding plates, cups, and utensils securely. Perfect for tiny kitchens, it prevents water messes and keeps everything organized. Easy to assemble and clean, it's a practical addition to any home. Amazon's limited time deal makes this the perfect moment to snag one. Click the link now to simplify your dishwashing routine. Number 4. Babo Moment Clear Cabinet Shelf. Transform your cabinet storage with the Babo Moment Clear Cabinet Shelf. Stack plates, cups, and bowls neatly, creating double the storage in your kitchen. Its clear design helps you see everything instantly, reducing clutter and frustration. Easy to assemble and strong enough for daily use, this shelf is perfect for small spaces. Limited time Amazon deals mean now is the time to grab it. Click the link to upgrade your kitchen storage today. Number 5. Joseph Under Shelf Spice Rack. Organize spices effortlessly with the Joseph Under Shelf Spice Rack. Easily mounts under cabinets, freeing counter space while keeping spices accessible. Perfect for small kitchens, it turns cluttered cabinets into neat, functional storage. Durable, stylish, and practical, this rack makes cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Take advantage of Amazon's limited time deal. Click the link now and bring order to your kitchen instantly. Number 6. Pau Kippo Over Door Pantry Rack. Asterisk maximize pantry space with the Pau Kippo Over Door Pantry Rack. Hangs easily on any cabinet door, keeping snacks, canned goods, and spices organized and visible. Ideal for small kitchens, it reduces clutter and keeps essentials within arm's reach. Sturdy and easy to clean, this rack is a must-have for any home. Amazon's limited time offer won't last. Click the link today to grab yours and upgrade your pantry storage. Number 7. Highware Stainless Steel Spider Strainer. Cook smarter with the Highware Stainless Steel Spider Strainer. Perfect for frying, blanching, or boiling. It makes lifting and draining food safe and easy. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for small or busy kitchens, it reduces mess and adds convenience to every meal. Don't wait, Amazon's limited time deal is the perfect opportunity to get this kitchen essential. Click the link now and make cooking effortless. Number 8. Vitotmar Airtight Food Storage Container Set. Keep food fresh and your kitchen organized with the Vitotmar Airtight Food Storage Container Set. Stackable, clear, and space-saving. These containers make pantry organization a breeze. Perfect for cereals, snacks, or baking ingredients, they prevent spills and extend freshness. Durable and stylish, they suit any kitchen decor. Limited time Amazon deals mean now is the moment to grab yours. Click the link to simplify food storage today. Number 9. Zule Wooden Cooking Spoon Set. Asterisk. Upgrade your cooking with the Zule Wooden Cooking Spoon Set. Crafted from durable, food-safe wood, these spoons handle stirring, mixing, and serving effortlessly. Their ergonomic design makes cooking comfortable, while their classic look enhances kitchen aesthetics. Perfect for busy kitchens, they resist heat and won't scratch cookware. Amazon's limited time deal makes it easy to elevate your kitchen tools. Click the link now to grab this must-have set. Number 10. Monferroko Overdoor Pantry Organizer. Transform kitchen storage with the Monferroko Overdoor Pantry Organizer. Hang it over any cabinet or pantry door to free counter space while keeping snacks, spices, and essentials visible. Its sturdy, space-saving design is perfect for small kitchens. Easy to install and clean, it brings order to cluttered spaces instantly. Don't miss this limited time Amazon offer. Click the link now to enhance your kitchen organization effortlessly. Number 11. Aster Cook Knife Set War Whirl Set War. Sharp, durable, and equipped with protective guards, these knives handle all cutting tasks effortlessly. Ideal for home chefs, they improve efficiency and safety while prepping meals. Stylish storage keeps knives organized and accessible, saving counter space. Amazon's limited time offer ensures you get this essential set at a great price. Click the link now to enhance your cooking experience and keep your kitchen tools ready for any recipe. Number 12. Iwion Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Bring flavor to every meal with the Iwion Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Adjustable grinding lets you control coarseness for perfect seasoning every time. Sleek, durable design adds elegance to your kitchen while freeing counter space. Easy to refill and clean, it's perfect for everyday cooking. Don't miss Amazon's limited time deal. Click the link now to grab this essential kitchen accessory and make every dish taste restaurant quality instantly. Number 13. NuWave Ceramic Cookware. Cook healthier meals with the NuWave Ceramic Cookware. Non-stick, chemical-free ceramic ensures even cooking without excessive oils. Stylish and durable, it saves space while upgrading your kitchen aesthetics. Perfect for small kitchens or serious home chefs, these pans are easy to clean and maintain. Amazon's limited time offer is the perfect moment to invest. Click the link now and elevate your cooking with this high-quality ceramic cookware set today. Number 14. Home Hero Utensils. Make cooking easier with Home Hero Utensils. Ergonomically designed, durable, and versatile, these essential tools handle stirring, flipping, and serving effortlessly. Heat-resistant construction protects hands and prevents damage to cookware. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, they keep cooking efficient and enjoyable. Limited-time Amazon deals won't last. Click the link now to upgrade your kitchen tools and experience comfort and precision with every meal. Number 15. Hotex Silicone Spatula. Flip, stir, and scrape with ease using the Hotex Silicone Spatula. Heat-resistant, non-stick, and flexible, it's perfect for cooking or baking without scratching your cookware. Its compact design saves kitchen space, while the durable silicone lasts for years. Ideal for home chefs and busy kitchens, it ensures every task is smooth and safe. Amazon's limited-time deal makes this a must-have. Click the link now to grab your essential silicone spatula today. Number 16. Amoyemi Chenille Bath Mat. Step onto comfort with the Amoyemi Chenille Bath Mat. Ultra soft, absorbent, and non-slip. It keeps your bathroom safe and cozy. Perfect for small bathrooms, it adds style while saving floor space. Easy to clean and quick drying, it's perfect for daily use. Amazon's limited time offer ensures you get this must-have mat at a great price. Click the link now to upgrade your bathroom with comfort and safety instantly. Number 17. WTJMOV Electric Kettle Ask Roof. Boil water fast and safely with the WTJMOV Electric Kettle. Rapid heating, auto suit-off, and sleek design make it perfect for tea, coffee, or instant meals. Its space-saving footprint fits any kitchen while enhancing functionality. Durable, efficient, and easy to clean, this kettle is a must-have tool. Don't miss Amazon's limited time deal. Click the link now to enjoy hot drinks in seconds and simplify your daily kitchen routine today. Number 18. Trevolissimo Electric Lunchbox. Take hot meals anywhere with the Trevolissimo Electric Lunchbox. Heats food evenly on the go, making lunches convenient for work, school, or travel. Compact and portable, it saves space while ensuring safe, delicious meals. Easy to clean and energy efficient, it's perfect for busy lifestyles. Amazon's limited time offer ensures you get this practical tool at a great price. Click the link now and enjoy fresh, warm meals wherever life takes you. Number 19. Ninja Air Fryer 4QT. Iscroft healthier and faster with the Ninja Air Fryer 4QT. Enjoy crispy fries, roasted veggies, and guilt-free fried foods with little to no oil. Compact yet powerful, it fits perfectly in small kitchens while delivering consistent results. Easy to use, clean, and store, it's a must-have for busy home chefs. Don't wait, Amazon's limited time deal makes it the perfect moment to click the link now and upgrade your kitchen. Number 20. Safener Magnetic RV Utensil Holder. Keep utensils organized with the Safener Magnetic RV Utensil Holder. Strong magnetic grip holds spoons, spatulas, and tongs securely, saving drawer space. Perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or campers, it keeps tools within reach while decluttering countertops. Durable, easy to mount, and versatile, it's ideal for busy kitchens. Limited time Amazon deals won't last. Click the link now to grab this handy, space-saving kitchen accessory and simplify your cooking experience today. Thanks for watching our roundup of the ** top 20 amazing kitchen products on Amazon. * Each item is designed to save space, boost efficiency, and make your cooking easier and more enjoyable. Don't wait, these deals are for a limited time only. Click the links in the description below to grab your favorites today and transform your kitchen into a smarter, more organized space instantly.